So women in their 30s and early 40s, hopefully they do have some sort of financial plan now in place, but many of these women and anybody really for that matter, what is something that they should consider to secure their financial future as they're in those accumulating years?
We're assuming that you have some sort of a savings. You have something that you've set aside that is somewhere in an account and it's growing. So a couple of things you need to be very mindful of. And the reason I say this is because I see it a lot. I see a lot of the business owners or entrepreneurs, they're not actively engaged in the growth of their money. What does that mean? They don't have a relationship with their advisor. Usually when I ask them what was the investment growth last year, they don't have an answer to that. So that's very dangerous because you need to continuously be aware of where your money is invested, how much your money is growing on a quarterly basis, and then on an annual basis to know if that was the right investment for you to be in. Depending on the firm you work with, nobody is actively looking at that money. The day that you met them, they put it in somewhere at that time, and then whether that's still a good investment or not, God knows. You have to take active participation in managing your own money, even though someone else is managing it for you, either it's a bank or an institution, whatever that may be. You need to know what the growth has been on a quarterly and an annual basis. You need to then shop around and find out where else can I move this money for it to be growing safely and securely. Be aware of where that money is invested, what the growth has been, make an active decision whether you still want it to be there or not. You gotta take ownership in that. We need to take ownership about what does it mean? What does it mean to me? How does it look like? And who is that version of me that's wealthy? And you gotta have to claim it.